Hello, welcome to Otis Place. It's good to have you here if you're a returning subscriber. If you're a new subscriber or you just stumbled on this video and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us today. So today is wash day for my daughter. First of all, I'm going to detangle the hair. Guys, she has been carrying this hair like this for over 2 weeks. I just didn't want to disturb her and I was busy with some other things, so I just let the hair be. It has matted up a bit at the back, so I'm going to make sure I take my time to detangle the hair properly. I'm not going to be rough with this, guys. I'm going to be very gentle so that she does not suffer breakage. I sprayed some aloe vera juice on the hair just to hydrate it and make it easy to work with. Right now, as her hair is like this, I cannot put it into sections because it's quite tangled. So my aim is to work gradually and use aloe vera gel to make sure that the hair detangles properly. Now, aloe vera gel is different from aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is light, there's hardly any slime to it. But aloe vera gel is quite slimy to make the detangling process so much easier. See that hair that was so detangled, see that hair that was so matted and looking really, really dehydrated. Look how the hair has become. Detangling the hair properly is important so that she doesn't suffer breakage. Normally, when we're making the hair, I put something on TV for her to watch, or maybe she's using a phone, or sometimes we just have a little mother-daughter bonding time. These periods are periods I really cherish because I know that very soon she's going to be a big girl and we will not have much time to be doing this together. Let me know in the comment section. Do you make your children's hair or you just go to a salon? Taking my time to make her hair is teaching her how to actually take good care of her hair. As she sees me taking good care of my hair and also taking good care of her hair, it helps her also learn how to make her hair. I've told her very soon she'll be the one handling her hair. I won't be touching it that much anymore because, guys, let's face it, I've been doing her hair for years and I know that she knows what to do and what not to do. Guys, can you see that aloe vera? Can you see the sleep? Oh my goodness. Don't sleep on aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for the hair. One of my first videos I made when I came back to the channel was the reason why I went natural. And I remember in that video, I remember telling you guys that my daughter was asking that she wanted her hair to be straight like mine. I had relaxed hair as at that time. And I was I was convincing her that she had beautiful natural hair that I didn't want her to damage with relaxer. I'm glad to tell you that that phase is over. She's not interested in relaxers anymore. Maybe because I'm now natural too. Kids are very observant. She realizes that my hair is now the same as hers. There's really no difference. I think she really wanted that relaxer because my hair was relaxed. So she felt that was the beauty standard. But I'm glad to announce that she has learned to appreciate her natural hair. She knows that her natural hair is beautiful and worth celebrating. There's this confidence I see in her, and I know that it is due to the fact that she has learned to love her hair. She understands what it is to care for her hair, and she realizes that beauty comes in diverse forms. You don't have to have straight hair to be beautiful. She realized that her natural coily hair is beautiful, whether it's in an afro, whether it's in braids, whether it's in twists. She has embraced it and embraces the beauty that comes with it. Sometimes you just meet a knot that is so stubborn. Instead of yanking at the hair, just take your time and detangle it gently. There's no need to rush. Rushing will cause breakage to your hair. Working in sections has made this whole process so much easier. The aloe vera gel has made this whole detangling process so much easier. Don't mind her, she's playing with her brother. So the aloe vera gel has made it so much easier. The aloe vera gel is acting as my detangler. It's also acting as a pre-poo treatment for her hair. Her hair is growing every day and I'm so happy with the result of the hair. This is typically how our wash day goes. I use aloe vera. Her hair really responds very well to aloe vera. If you find a product that really works for you, guys, stick to that product. Don't start changing it just to follow trends and all that. I noticed that her hair loves aloe vera, and that's what I've been using consistently on her hair. That's, I think it's like one of the few DIYs she will let me use in her hair. It is so good, and we know that the aloe vera has so many health benefits to it. Can you guys see this hair? Compare it to how it was in the beginning. At the beginning, it was like there was no hope for the hair. It was matted, it was tangled, especially the back. It was really tangled. But see how easy it is to detangle with something that has slip. I always tell people, if you want to detangle, use something that has slip, and it will make your life so much easier. Just work on putting the hair in sections, working on each section at a time. It makes it a lot more easy and manageable. I hope this video has been helpful. This is our first step for our wash day. What I'm going to do is, as I finish detangling the hair, I'm going to cover her hair with a nylon bag or a shower cap. But in this case, it's a nylon bag. I'm going to cover the hair. She's going to just, sit for about 30 minutes before I proceed to washing the hair completely. After washing the hair, of course, I'm going to deep condition her hair. I'm going to moisturize her hair. I'm going to seal in that moisture, put the hair in sections until when next I'm going to touch the hair. Do you make your daughter's hair? If you have a daughter, do you make her hair? Or if you have a female in your life, you have a niece or somebody, do you make your children's hair or you take them to the salon? Guys, I've not had good experiences with salons, so I'm not really one. But when I find a good natural hair salon, I think I'll just give us all a treat. If you're watching and you want to subscribe to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that bell by the side, select the all option so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. If you're watching up to now and you're not giving this video a thumbs up, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps my small YouTube channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know. I asked the question earlier. Let me know, do you make your children's hair? Do you use natural products when detangling the hair? I know that some people will use conditioners, some people will use aloe vera, some people will use maybe flaxseed or something. But let me know in the comment section. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.